This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our Chevy El Camino 350 4-speed, nice driving car thing. I'm not even touching the steering wheel and it's going straight down the road. Nice solid on that bump. Speedometer's not working because it's missing the gear and the 4-speed tranny. So the plastic part that runs the speedometer cable. But with the tach, you can tell you're going. So I just checked, 2,800 RPMs is 60 miles an hour. As of right now, that's how you'll be buying it. So everything else works. In my running video, you'll see that my tail lights didn't work, but that was just I jiggled the light switch. So not a big issue. So, but very nice driving car. Goes down the road good, shifts nice. Got good power. Got just a nice mellow sound to it. Are good driving cars. Basically they're Malibus, you know, and they made an El Camino pickup, you know, they run the El Camino for 59 and 60 and then they quit and then they brought them back at 64. So there was a little bit of a lull and then they put them on the Malibu Chevrolet platform. So basically what you have with the pickup. So they're pretty cool vehicles and they not as many of them around as there was cars, so you won't bump into one every place you go. And as hot as pickups are, you just will have an El Camino instead of a Malibu. So, said car really does drive nice. We'll go up here out of the corner. I'll hit the brakes, downshift for you. Temperature is running about 190. We're at 50 pounds oil pressure going down the road. Shift, downshifts nice, brakes work nice. Comes down to, looks like about 30 pounds of oil pressure, so got really good oil pressure. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.